a web page already designed with WordPress and you are finding it difficult, or you are wondering how you can design this footer, like, as you can see here, this footer is not nice, and you are thinking of you want to design a similar footer like this. In this video, I am going to teach you how to design this kind of footer for your WordPress website. So let's get started. Let's start work immediately. So what to have to do is to click on plugin, and the next thing is to click on the add new button. Now type header footer. Now this is what you have to install: header and footer builder for Elementor. Click on install now. After installation is finished, then click on activate. You can see that Elementor Header and Footer Builder is activated. So the next is to start creating our header and footer. But for today's class, in this video, what we have to do is to build a footer, not the header. My next class, I'm going to build the header, but today I will build only the footer. So next is to click on appearance, and in the appearance you will see Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Then click on it. You can see that we don't have any header and footer here. The template is empty. So we are going to create a new template for the header and the footer. So, but this template is specifically going to be for the footer. So click on add new template and select, let's take for beginners, or skip this process. Then click on add new again. So give your template a name. Let's call it footer, and the template type, I will choose footer. Now display on, select the entire website, and we will ignore the rules. Make sure that you check this box, which is enable layout for Elementor canvas template. Make sure it is checked, else your template will not work. So we are going to ignore this rule, or rather let's just check all pages. So this rule for the entire website will be applicable to all the pages that we are going to build later in the future. So after that, you click on publish, and now it is published. So we are going to start building the footer now by editing with Elementor. Remember, in our previous video we talked about how you will get Elementor activated for free. So if you have not checked that my video, you have not watched that my video, please go back to the playlist and watch the video. You will see in the description how to activate Elementor with the free activation code that I have given in that video. So if you want to get Elementor Pro for free, go back to my playlist and check the video and take the activation key from there. Make sure you activate your Elementor and start building your website from scratch. So I will click on Edit with Elementor. So our footer is now open with our Elementor, and we can now start building our footer section. So what we have to do is to click on this plus icon, and we'll choose this option, and the next is to add the sections of our our footer. And as you can see in here on this web page, our footer is not organized, it's not properly designed. And here on this particular page, you can also see that our footer is well designed. You can see this is awesome, and this is exactly what we have to build. Okay, so we will now come back here, and in this section here we have to change this content width to full width, and I think that is all I have to do here. And the next I have to do, okay, let's adjust the height. So let our minimum height be reduced to 250. Rather, let me take 250. 250. Yes, I think this is okay. And I will add sections. The first section will take the logo. So I've duplicated the section into 3. The first section here should take about us. Then this section will take blog, the links to other blog pages, and this section will take newsletter, which is a form for subscription. Okay, so I will now add content to each of these sections. So after adding this title, about, blog, and form, I am going to format the text property. So after formatting the text property, we have to make the full section change background. So we click on these these dots, and edit this page. So instead of choosing background image, I will use color, and just choose any color of your choice. In my case, I will use something like this. I think this is okay, and so I can see what I'm doing here. After that, we drop content in each of these tabs. Here, I will drop text for the about us, and similarly, I will also drop content for the blog and for the form. So let me drop the form first. So I will drop the form. So after dropping the form, I will have to format the form to my desired, the way I want it. And because I don't want this video to take too long, I just want to show you how I build my footer page for my web pages using WordPress and Elementor. So I will update these settings. Before I will do the update, I will change this text to be white so that you can see it very well. So I can click on update now. So let's check our browser, our page, and see if it's taking effect. So I refresh my page. Boom! You see? So every page of this web page will be covered with this same footer page. So all our pages will be seen by this footer page. So this is awesome. So you don't have to waste time if you are finding it difficult before to build your own footer page and customize it to your taste. You have to follow the step-by-step procedure that I've given in this video. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you want this kind of video. Anytime we release update, you will be the first person to be notified. And remember to watch my video where I am sharing my free activation key for the Elementor Pro, so that you can have all the features of Elementor and use them and build awesome web pages with WordPress. Peace.